Nasaan si Jesus? Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magdidilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, Banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip, nang maunawaan at may sa buhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. John chapter 11, verses 45 to 57, and I read it for you. Many of the Jews, therefore, who had come with Mary and had seen what Jesus did, believed in him. But some of them went to the Pharisees and told them what he had done. So the chief priests and the Pharisees called a meeting of the council and said, "What are we to do? This man is performing many signs. If we let him go on like this, everyone will believe in him. And the Romans will come and destroy both our holy place and our nation." But one of them, Caiaphas, who was high priest that year, said to them, "You know nothing at all. You do not understand that it is better for you to have one man die for the people than to have the whole nation destroyed." He did not say this on his own, but being high priest that year, he prophesied that Jesus was about to die for the nation, and not for the nation only, but to gather into one the dispersed children of God. So from that day on, they planned to put him to death. Jesus therefore no longer walked about openly among the Jews, but went from there to a town called Ephraim in the region near the wilderness, and he remained there with the disciples. Now the Passover of the Jews was near, and many went up from the country to Jerusalem before the Passover to purify themselves. They were looking for Jesus and were asking one another as they stood in the temple, "What do you think? Surely he will not come to the festival, will he?" Now the chief priests and the Pharisees had given orders that anyone who knew where Jesus was should let them know, so that they might arrest him. Nasaan si Jesus? Ito po ang tanong ng mga otoridad. Hinahanap nilang Panginoon hindi upang sambahin siya, yakapin siya, o kung anumang pagmamahal ang ipakita nila. Hinahanap nila si Jesus dahil nais nilang arestuhin ang ating Panginoon. Maiba't ibang uri ng paghahanap sa buhay. Para sa mga Pariseyo at punong saserdote, ang paghahanap nila sa Panginoong Jesucristo ay upang arestuhin siya, parusahan siya, at patayin siya. Napakasama ng kanilang plano ng balak nilang gawin sa Panginoon. Napakaraming himala ang ginagawa ng taong ito, wika nila. Kailangan na nilang arestuhin siya. Tayo po, bakit po natin hinahanap si Jesus? Hinahanap po natin ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo dahil kailangan po natin siya. Kailangan natin ng isang manunubos. Kailangan natin ng isang Mesiyas. Kailangan natin ng isang kaibigan. Kailangan natin ng isang mabuting pastol. Kailangan natin ng isang Jesus na nagpapatawad ng mga kasalanan natin. Kailangan natin ang salita ng Diyos. Kailangan natin ang anak ng Diyos. Si Jesus ang ating buhay. Ibinigay ni Jesus ang kanyang buhay para tayo ay magkaroon ng iba yung buhay. Sinagip niya tayo mula sa kadiliman, mula sa kasalanan. Yan ba ang rason kung bakit nahanap mo si Jesus? O hinahanap mo siya dahil mayroon ka ring maitim na balak katulad ng mga Pariseyo at mga saserdote sa ating binasa? Ipagpatuloy natin ang paghahanap kay Jesus tulad ng isang usa na naghahanap sa umaagos na tubig sa batisan. Tayo'y uhaw sa Kanya, uhaw sa Kanyang pagmamahal, uhaw sa Kanyang pagpapatawad at awa sa ating lahat. Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Jesucristo, Nawa mahanap ka namin sa araw-araw ng aming buhay, katulad ng isang usa na sabik na makainom sa umaagos na batisan. Gayon din ang aming kaluluwa. Panginoong Kristo, kailangan ka namin, mahal ka namin, at ikaw ang aming manunubos. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito, mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito. O kaya naman po, just search Father Fiel Pareha. God bless you po.